Hey guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, we're going to be talking about the new update, which I think is bad and also good in a few ways. Let's see the bad first. Always good to see the bad, because then makes the good seem good because you saw it after the bad. I know it does make sense. Anyway, for Gale's nerf, which I think is the biggest nerf in the history of nerf, just wait, just look at it. First of all, his jump pad doesn't. Okay, yeah, I'll admit it looks cooler, but did you just see that jump? It took me what, quarter of the bush, and it's not even that big a bush. Gale's original jump pad, yeah, I'm gonna call you original, can do like so much more. Oh, I bet that Gale is like, angry. Look at it. Okay, fine. Yeah, it's golden and black. That looks really cool. Yeah, you could have done that and nerfed it by, from 3 charges to 2 charges. Not that much. I mean, look at how much it does now. Are you happy, Supercell? Dude, I swear. Okay, we're doing pretty good. I mean, but that is not thanks to Gale's jump pad. He didn't do shit. Okay, I'm gonna go Protector. And I'm gonna kill that Gale. Boom. Oh, Brock's holding a lot of gems. I want to see what star power this bow has. I'm just going to take the damage. Okay, he has a stun. That's good. If he had seen the bushes, we wouldn't have survived this long, I swear. Wait, where's the third? Okay, maybe it already finished. Ooh, nice jump, Gale. Oh, okay, nice use of gadget. Nice use of gadget. Oh, I'm starting to feel this gadget might be a little useful. And this match might not be so bad. Wait, no, that'll just jinx it. Please don't be right. Please, Annie, don't be right. Why would you use the... You are so stupid. Oh, crap. No. No, she died. No. Wait, no. I jinxed it. Oh my god, I jinxed it. Who's holding the gems? Maybe you can still, we still have a chance. Ah, god, please. No! No, this is so not happening. Come on, Brock. Okay, he killed the penny. We still have... Okay, the Gale was... I don't think the Gale's holding it. Okay, he's holding 4, so I think the bow. Yep, the bow. I don't deal enough damage. Yeah, they had to nerf his damage too. Come on, man. That's so bad. This is literally the worst thing Supercell has ever done. I like the other stuff Supercell, gotta say. I like the windscreen and the star player stuff. But a buff is to Dynamite. Now his super charges in 2 full shots. Like if both Dynamite sticks hit twice, his super is ready. That is so good. Wait, okay, this is Gem Grab. I thought it was a new map or something, because didn't see properly. Boom, nice double jump. Just watch how quickly his super gets charged up. Insane. Let's not talk about that. Wow, that Piper's going ham. I need Z Skittles. Is that the Brock's name? Yeah, I need Z Skittles to break that bush. Okay, look how quickly my super's charged up. Wait, I'll show you when I've used my super. Okay, wait, watch this. I rub this roll. Okay, yeah. You see it? It's halfway charged up. Y'all saw that. Now watch this. Watch. Dodged one. Oh, okay. Wait, I died. It's fine. We'll try and win. Yeah, okay, it's halfway. We didn't get a shot off. We still didn't get a shot off? Okay, count down, baby. I still want to show you guys. See? 1 stick got me another quarter, so each stick gets a quarter. Okay, wait, watch this. Again. He fell for it again, man. This Viper's dead. Troll. Pretty awesome match. Gotta say, Supercell, this totally makes up. Doesn't make up for the Gale nerf, but 40% of the Gale nerf makes it up. We'll go a Brawl Ball match. I have a feeling it's gonna be a good one. We have Shelly. I wish I could Dyna jump right when she uses a super so it goes right by under me. Oh, double jump. Awesome. Whoa, I can do that? Great. Go back in. Got some awesome damage off, guys. Pretty good jumps. Spike doing some damage. Primo doing his thing. Which is nothing. Sometimes. Okay, wait, someone's watching. Mr. Double Jump. Okay, nice play, Primo. Then Shelly totally got trolled. But I think Shelly has a buff too. Her super comes faster. Yeah, nice one, Supercell. You had to do it to the most overpowered brawler when it comes to supers. Okay, wait, I can do this. Ah! Easy. That Shelly was dumb though. Like, she should have gadgeted a little later. Bull's there. I knew it, bro. Oh, didn't get hit off. I thought I would. He's coming after me. Oh, I'm so dead. Wait. See, that's what you want to do with Dynamite. You want to, be the distraction. So a heavyweight in your team can go score. Next buff we're going to be looking at is Shelly. This is going to be the last one, guys. I really don't know what to say about this update. Is it... I'm going to say it's really bad. Only because of Gale. Like, literally. I know they did so much good stuff. Wait, a new map. Nice. They did so much good stuff, but Gale really got ruined, man. And they apparently took out extra life. Lucky I didn't spend money on it. Wait, easy trick shot. No, I missed. Okay, fine, just one more. Easy. Okay, it's one to love. You just want to stay here until they waste all the ammo. How did he not hit me? He's so dumb. Gonna break that base so the Pam can die. Ooh, 4 HP. Okay, no way I'm letting them get this goal though. Like, literally no way. Okay, Shelly doing nothing. 8-bit's missing in action. We found 8-bit. Hello, bro. Gonna let him do one more shot and then rush in. Yeah, I'll get the bow first. Then I'll super the other two. Oh, whoa. Okay, good play. At the last second. Pretty good, guys. Thank you, Supercell, for the Dynamite buff. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like this video, and always remember, Ani knows.